10x ba ang lahat ng courses? Yes, lahat ng books, lahat ng seminars, lahat ng courses, at lahat ng mentoring and coaching sessions. Kung minsan nga, kahit na free videos na tulad nito, pwedeng ma-10x. Remember, when you watch a video, kahit na free, you still invest your time. And time is more expensive than money. And there are 5 things to do to 10x your investment in books, courses, videos, webinars, or seminars. Number 1, before you read a book or watch a video, read first the title and the description. Huwag lang mindlessly na uumpisahan ito. Isulat mo sa mga notes mo. What is it that you want to learn from this? Yan ang goal mo. And kapag clear ang goal mo, you will be getting your brain ready to learn. Number 2, while you are watching or reading or listening, pause and take lots of notes. Do you know why? When you take notes, you not only use your sense of sight, meaning your eyes, but you also use your sense of touch, which is your hands. And the more senses you use, the more you can retain the lessons that you are learning. Number 3, after consuming the whole video, seminar, or book, read and reflect on your notes. For each of the line in the notes, yung mga notes natin, ask yourself, how will I apply this to my life so that I can 10x my business, my relationships, my health, my money, etc. Write down your answers. That will be your action plan. Number 4, go back to your goal in number 1 and include your answer to the question in your action plan. Kung ano yung naging intention nyo para umpisahan itong webinar or book or whatever it is that you are embarking on. And lastly, number 5, use your Google Calendar and calendar each of the items in your action plan so that you will not forget to do them. Watching a video, reading a book, and doing the other stuff is not a guarantee that you will get 10x results. You have to do all these 5 steps. Kung minsan, after watching 2 hours of video, you only get 1 lesson. And it's okay. Even that 1 lesson that you apply, if you apply it well, it can give you 10x results or more. Continue your 10x as you are being business-minded, Pinoy.